Hi, welcome to the FX Algo Trader Daily Pivots demonstration. We've got a Euro-Dollar chart here, and I'm going to show you how the Daily Pivots module is loaded and configured. Briefly, pivots were created by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in order to identify intraday support and resistance levels, and they're an invaluable part of intraday trading. So without further ado, let me press on and show you how the pivots work. Okay, let me just clear this indicator out here. Okay. So the first screen we can see here is our input parameters, so we can actually hide the M-level intermediate pivots if we wish. We can enable a pivot alert system which triggers around a particular defined pivot level with a threshold of plus or minus X pips, which in this case is 10. We can also define the pivot level colours. We have a full colour palette available to us, and we can specify the pivot level line lengths for each time period, which is in the current chart. So for example, on the daily chart we could have 10 periods, on the hourly chart we could display the pivot lines over 20 periods, or whatever we decide. So I will show you how this works right now. So if we look at the screen, we can see we've got a series of pivots displayed. We've got our support level pivots in green, our resistance pivots in red, and the central pivot point in blue. As you scroll out to a slightly higher time frame, so on 4 hourly charts now. So if I now configure pivots indicator and I specify that I want to hide my M level pivots, you can now see that all we're left with is the S2, S1, central pivot point, and R1 and R2 above. Just panning out again onto a high time frame so you can see that a bit more clearly. Okay, let's have a look at what else we can do. So we may want to change the line colours, which is extremely easy. So we may want to change the central pivot point to yellow, and as you can see, central pivot point with its associated label is now in yellow. We also may want to change the line lengths on this particular chart. So we're on dailies, so we need to scroll down to the daily line length section, and we may want to increase the line length to 20. So this will display the actual pivot lines over a 20 period range. Finally, you may want to set an alert so that when price action goes within a certain threshold of a pivot in terms of pips, you get an audible alert. So in this case we may want to set an alert at possibly S1. So we just simply type in S1, the number of pips for the threshold, plus and minus, or above or below pivot line. So this could be, say, 15, and the alert is now set. So when price action gets to within 15 pips above or below S1, you'll get an audible alert, which you can cancel by simply turning the actual alert system off. That's pretty much it on daily pivots. They are basically available for all the FX charts and will draw in any time period. Any questions, please send me an email, info@fxalgotrader.com. Thank you.